These classes I told you that I am giving the notes of the physics up to 9th and 10th level, and this is the I am started motion of law. What is motion? An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with time. जो पोजीशन जो स्थान चेंज करे समय के साथ उसे कहते हैं मोशन. And now come our distance and displacement. Distance, the total length of the path covered by an object. जो डिस्टेंस जो होता है, जो टोटल लेंथ, जो लंबाई होती है पाथ का, रास्ते का, जो कवर्ड होता है ऑब्जेक्ट से. Now displacement, the shortest straight line between distance between the initial and the final position. This is the displacement. Now डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. जो डिस्टेंस होता है वो ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव होता है, बट डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैन बी जीरो. नाउ स्पीड, व्हाट इज स्पीड? स्पीड इज द डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड पर यूनिट टाइम. स्पीड इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम एंड इट्स यूनिट इज मीटर पर सेकेंड, किलोमीटर पर आवर. Velocity, velocity is speed in a given direction. Velocity equal to displacement by time and its also unit is meter per second. Acceleration, change in velocity. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with time. Acceleration equal to change in velocity by time. Equation of motion, this is the equation of the motion that asked in the all examination. For uniformly accelerated motion, जो uniformly motion accelerated होते हैं, v equal to u plus at, s equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square, v square equal to u square plus 2as. Now where u equal to initial velocity, v equal to final velocity, a equal to acceleration, t equal to time, s equal to displacement. Now types of motion: uniform motion, non-uniform motion and circular motion. Uniform motion, equal distances in equal time interval. Non-uniform motion, unequal distances in equal time interval. Circular motion, motion along a circular path. So this is the circular motion. So in this classes I completed the motion and law, and in next chapter I have to completed law. I have to completed the law of motion, and in next chapter I gave you the notes of law of motion. So good night everyone. Bye bye.